When I first saw Acumatica back in 2015 or 2016, it was a cloud-ready product. And in those days, cloud was the big buzzword. The buzzword these days is AI. And Acumatica is, again, platform ready. So the platform is the genius in the product.
The biggest news comes in really two categories. One is on the AI side, our newest generation of AI Studio, things like AI anomaly detection. There's a whole host of features coming out in AI because of our modern platform in this release and coming releases. And the second is industry and vertical specific functionality, tools like construction document management, materials resource planning. We have a great set of industry data and technology coming out in this release and the next one.
We needed a system that we believe is future-proof and that can grow with our clients. And we found Acumatica fits perfectly for that. We also looked at the features that Acumatica and other systems offered. It was a good fit for what we wanted to provide in the market. And then lastly, what was very important to us was the partner program that they have. It's easy for us to become a partner, to skill up and have the support from Acumatica in our whole sales cycle as well as post-sale to ensure our customers are happy.
It was just a no-brainer. With customers that were with us for 15, 17 years, we needed to provide them with a solution that we trusted, and the modules, the functionality was on point and far surpassed what our clients were looking for at the time.
We saw great potential within the product. I think another thing that sort of drew us is the community, the partner community within the Acumatica space. And the product set sort of sets itself apart in the SMC, SMB market that helps us diversify and give competitive products to our customers.
From our recent return from the summit in Seattle, I think Acumatica did a good job in showcasing the new and latest features. The AI Studio features we're really looking forward to. I think the fact that it's a low-code, easy to interact with feature within Acumatica is going to add lots of value within the Acumatica ecosystem. And I also believe that the constant improvement in the UI and starting to see the modern UI coming into effect would add to Acumatica's reputation as being the most user-friendly ERP in the market.
The shape-shifting, as I call it, part of Acumatica is the UI or user interface. And the fact that it can be modified to your exact specification, including adding things that were never there before, in seconds, literally. It makes that user experience so much better because it's now shaping to what you want to do and it's working the way you want to work.
Sure, the strength and quality of our platform, our open platform that we build, it's all future-proof and cloud-based. It's very unique in the industry. We have a great, huge network of channel partners kind of around the world, but especially here in Africa, and sort of a mindset that really, I think, helps customers succeed.